Think small cordless vacuums can't handle real job site messes? I'm a tools expert with years advising DIY professionals. Dust, sawdust, and crumbs demand strong portable suction power. Meet the RYOBI 18V Handheld Vacuum designed to do more. 1,100 L per minute airflow delivers serious cleaning speed. Suction at 34 air watts removes embedded debris quickly. Lightweight design, 0.95 kilograms without battery, reduces user fatigue. Compact, transparent, 600 milliliter tank empties bagless in seconds. Removable washable filter keeps air clean and hygienic always. Runs on 18V RYOBI ONE Plus batteries, universal power. Use the same battery across 200 plus tools. Perfect for cars, workshops, homes, and tight interior corners. Crevice nozzle reaches seams, upholstery, and car interiors effortlessly. Wet-dry capability handles liquid spills and dry debris safely. Proven runtime up to 31 minutes on appropriate battery. Solid build with IntelliCell and Lithium Plus tech for safety. Backed by 24-month warranty. Extendable after product registration. Now the science. Airflow and watts determine real cleaning. 1,100 L per minute plus 34 W equals reliable suction. Low weight improves mobility, increasing effective cleaning time. Case demo. Watch sawdust vanish from a workshop bench quickly. Car interior. Crumbs disappear from seats and hard-to-reach gaps. Toolbox cleanup. Quick, cordless, no cords or dust bags. Emptying is effortless. Transparent tank shows when it's full. Filter rinses underwater. Dries ready for reuse fast. Ideal buyers, DIYers, homeowners, car owners, and tradespeople. Practical tip. Pair with existing ONE Plus battery for best value. Compact, powerful, and genuinely job site capable in everyday use. Try the RYOBI ONE Plus Handheld Vacuum for effortless spot cleaning. Buy now. Register for extended warranty and peace of mind.